What made you realize or what made you feel that you need upskill or transition at this point in your career?
My whole life, I was working mainly on C#.NET. I didn't much work on front-end technologies except HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That too in my early stage of my career. So, and the current market basically requires React.js, Node.js, along with C#.NET. And wherever I'm going for the next role, they're asking me for React with C Sharp. So basically, wanted to mostly brush up on those new technologies.
What made you feel that Cryo is different from other platforms and you wanted to choose Cryo?
Mostly because there was this interactive platform here in Cryo. The teaching method was good, that you get some push like a assignment or assessment, you have to complete it, then you can go to the next level. So that was basically helpful to understand the concepts, and mostly uh, the mentors were also good here. So I was convinced to join Cryo.
How did you come across Cryo? Like how, from advertisement or Google?
From LinkedIn ads.
What did you like about Cryo? If you could give any three instances that was a highlight in your Cryo journey which helped you a lot.
Like I said, one was there was assessments that was constant, and we have to complete those assessments before moving to next level. So that helped to actually complete the topics. For other platforms, you get a lot of knowledge, but to complete those things, it will be. I mean, people won't be willing to do those exercises on their own. So there was a nudge from Cryo, and there was a constant notifications and calls from the Cryo team asking if you have completed, if you have need any help. So that sessions, problem solving sessions, those were good. And I think third one would be the structure of the syllabus was good.
And you must have made a lot of projects as well, no, in Cryo. So
Mhm.
is the most you think that was helpful for you and you enjoyed making that or creating that particular project?
There was a QKart, I think, which is like most, not, I would not say most useful, but those kind of projects are like very common nowadays in the industry, where you have a cart, where you have products to add, and then create basically a cart for checking out, and basically e-commerce websites. So that was really helpful. And the other one, the Qt5, that was also good.
What is your current role in your current company? What are
Module.
the tech stacks in which you are working on right now? Like what kind of projects?
It's a module lead role in my current role, and tech stacks is mainly C Sharp and C++, and it's basically an industrial automation uh, company. Mostly, it's on those things like how to automate PLCs and how to connect with devices.
And do you mind sharing your salary or hike if you're comfortable?
So basically, when I jumped from Microsoft, it was roughly 20 to 25% hike in Schneider.
What was the moment during the whole program that made it all worth it, that you felt that you are thankful that you chose Cryo and it helped you out for your career like that?
Career-wise, I'm still waiting for that to happen because, like I said, I'm not still working on React.js or any kind of those roles. I mean, it was a good point that I upskilled myself, but those skills are still. I'm looking forward for to put it to use because I've not got any opportunity in React for now, and that's why I joined this. Cryo referral program again, so that maybe it can help me to switch to some roles where I can actually utilize those skills. So
Okay.
good point was like the upskilling point. Like I have really upskilled. I know React, and I can confidently say that I know it, and I can make projects on it.
What has cryo meant to you in your career journey? And if someone, your friend or your relative, who is stuck in their life and career, what would you say to them?
Good, good for upskilling in one line. That it's a good platform to upskill yourself. It would mostly be really helpful to the new generation, new people who are just joining any new jobs. It will be really helpful because during my time, it was really a self-learning phase. Like when you join and on the job you learn things. So if you go for cryo, you will be having that extra edge, that you will have those knowledge in upfront so that you can utilize it.